Right, good morning, welcome back. Now this is a Harley-Davidson Derby cover, or to give it its Sunday name, clutch inspection cover. Now this is damaged, it was on my mate's bike, it fell over, and the gear lever punched a dent here in the side of the casing. Turn it over, you can see also there's a split on the inside, and this was weeping oil. So it had to be changed, and it was, he's happy, new casing, and this went on the wall as an ornament. Now another friend of mine saw it and said, do you want that? I could make an engraving project out of that and then mount it on a plaque. That looked quite smart, piece of automobilia. Brilliant idea. Now, rather than present it to the engraver with a nasty dent and a split in it, why not fill it in? So I've got those aluminium soldering rods, and I wonder whether I can prepare this properly and fill that little dent in, mount it in the right way, and then file it off, polish it up and make it look like brand new. So that will do two things. If it comes off, hopefully, I can present this nicely to the engraver to make a virtually flawless job of, and at the same time, I'll get to know whether or not those soldering rods will repair an engine casing to a standard and also not distort it at the same time. Because if it distorts, it doesn't matter. It's going on a piece of wood, it won't matter at all, but it also tells me that if I need to in the future and I get a split engine casing, it can be repaired with those things. So there we go. Let's see how we get on. Perfect. Right, there we are. Now this little setup means getting the dent itself flat and level. Obviously it's on one side slightly. If I just lay it down, heat it up, put the metal in, it will run out to one side. So these odd length screws mean that I can put it down, and now that little dent is exactly flat. And when I fill it up, it should fill nicely to the top with none of it running out the side. Now, also it keeps this above the tabletop so that none of the heat I'm putting into the panel wicks into the steel bench. And at the same time, with them being in a triangle, hopefully it won't distort either, hopefully. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so the answer is yes, it works. You can do it. You can fill a little puddle and then you can grind it and polish it and make it like that. It's not flawless. You can see the little tiny disc where I've polished it out, but that's because the two metals are a slightly different colour. Now, if that was on my bike, I'd be happy to fit that back on and use it and wear that little battle scar with pride. And it will seal because it's not distorted at all. And if you're interested in doing something nice for yourself, I will leave a link, an end screen just here, of the video I made showing exactly how to do this, step by step, the exact product. You can go online, get yourself some, and you can make these kind of repairs for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you next time.